back to my channel. So in today's video I did some Bantu knots on my hair. Look at my edges, like period, like game over. Look at my edges on fleek. So the products that I used was my Eco Styler gel, I used my Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner, I used my Let's Jam extra holds, and of course I used my product Pearls Moisture Strengthening and Moisturizing Treatment. So my business page will be down below right here, so you can go ahead and shop this product so you can get your hair looking amazing just like mine. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did all of the parting and I put them away with a twist. So now what I'm going to do is to just unravel the twist, detangle the hair, add some product, add my rubber bands, and then start wrapping them around for the Bantu knots. So I'm going to be adding some of my product, the Pearls Moisture Strengthening and Moisturizing Treatment. Going in with my Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner as well, because you want your hair, especially at the root, to be looking shiny. I'm going to be using my Let's Jam extra hold. And I'm going to secure it with elastic. Now for your elastics, you want to make sure you soak them in some oils, because that will help to reduce breakage when you're taking them out. Okay, so what I do is to just twist the hair on. I'm going to be grabbing some gel now. Some of my Eco Styler gel. I'm going to be adding some, and the Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner, and I'm going to be twisting the hair around. That's the first one. So now on to the next one. Going in with the strengthening, Pearls Moisture Strengthening and Moisturizing Treatment. Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner, mostly to the roots, because you want your hair to be looking amazing. And then the Let's Jam extra hold. Then going in with a rubber band that is soaked in olive oil, and I'm going to be catching up the hair. Guys, make sure you shop my product. The Instagram name is Pearls Moisture _ Hair Essentials, and go get yours today because this product is amazing. The smell, Going in with some gel and some Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner on the ends. You want to make sure your hands got a lot of product. Let me show you the back. For this part, I'm going to be adding some of my Got2b glue to hold this part down. I will be using it to do my edges and then tie down my hair. there we have it, guys. So let me show you a full 360 of my hair. I think it looks really cute. Period. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. This is the finished product of my Bantu knot hairstyle. These things will dry on, but look at my edges. Look at my edges. Damn, my hair looks so cute. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check down below and make sure you go follow my business page, Pearls Moisture _ Hair Essentials, and get your product. And don't forget to check out some recent videos of mine. There'll also be links in the description box for those. And I'll see you in my next video because your girl posts every single Friday. Bye guys.